Welcome to How to Use Steps menu in ES Optimizer. You must have access to the Preferences section in order to access the Steps menu. Here is a list of all of the default steps in ES Optimizer. You notice on the right hand side you do have the capability of adding a step if you choose. Just so you are aware, let's close that and let's look at an existing step. In this case, let's review high dusting. We're going to use the edit button at the left to view it. One thing that you will notice is that you will be required, either editing or creating, to agree to what type of step is this. Is it a daily cleaning step? Is it a project step? Or is it both? So we'll review high dusting, for example. So in this case, this is just a daily cleaning step and is typically not performed in any projects. The code is a numeric. In this case, it can be an alphanumeric code if you choose. Note you cannot duplicate codes exactly, so you only have one code 1 in the database, and if you wanted to create another one, you'd have to label it 1A or 1B or 1Z or something. The name of the step, in this case it's high dusting, and then it applies to a given job type within ES Optimizer. So those job types are Housekeeper 1, Housekeeper 2, Housekeeper 3, and other. Please refer to our employee position video for more information. The directions that will display based on what has to happen for that step. So in this case, high dusting is the high dusting of all areas not reached by damp wiping, typically above your shoulder height. If you make any changes, you are going to want to use the Save button. There's one other button which is the View Comments. So in the QA module, you have the capability of selecting predefined comments for high dusting. So for example, you have dust on a clock or picture, high dusting wasn't done, dust on a TV, dust on a vent or wall item. So let's look at that for example. Here's TV is the short comment or abbreviated comment, and the details are there is dust on top of the TV. So if you decide that you'd like to remove one of those comments, you can do that. You can also add a new comment for something that you typically see. So you are able to do that as well. And that's really all there is to using steps in ES Optimizer. Have a great day.